Kung nagbabalak ka na at may nakita kang opportunity, this is for my fellow art buddies and you for who is nagbabalak to start a career as a graphic designer. I recently closed the deal with my side hustle, blessing ulit of course. As a work from home graphic designer, this is also my hobby. And advice ko lang sa mga nagbabalak just to be patient with the process because it will start as scrappy as hell. I remember nung nag-start ako way back 2019. Ganda-ganda ako sa mga first artwork ko pero nung nirevisit ko na siya, hindi na siya appealing to the eyes. Before getting started, you might want to consider these steps for your growth, and again, please be patient. First step, you need to watch YouTube, visit Pinterest from time to time, and then exercise. Kung ano yung mga nakita mo doon, you need to use it ng paulit-ulit, and then to recreate if nagaya mo na yung mga ganong design. Try to change the elements. And then lastly, you need to exercise to build from scratch. For example, natutunan mo na gumawa ng ganong design, try mo ulitin with your own. So if may pagkakataon ka at